In this video, we will talk about our different templates on TaxDome. Templates are enormous time savers for your team. Create them for tasks, organizers, proposals, invoices, chats, emails, and more. Let's see an example of how this works. Suppose we want to send every new client a welcome email. Instead of writing a new one each time, we can go to our email section and open our Welcome to the Portal New Clients template. Here, we can see that we already have a pre-populated message that, thanks to the shortcodes, changes depending on the recipient. We also have a set sender and subject and can attach files if we want to. Templates are also essential for pipeline automations that could not be performed without them. The Firm Templates section is where all firm templates are stored. Here, you will see the tabs for all our categories: proposals and electronic letters, jobs, client-facing job statuses, tasks, organizers, client requests, chats, emails, SMS, invoices, signatures, and folders. Pipeline templates are placed on a separate page. They differ from others because they are much more complex and can include the other templates inside. For example, if there is an automation for sending organizer, it will use an organizer template. You can create a template from a pipeline when adding an automation. Fill out all the available fields. After it is done and you've given it a name, click the Save and Exit button. In any of the tabs, you can also create a new template by using the Create Template button. To get some ready-made templates, go to Marketplace. You will see all the templates available in one list or divided by type, such as pipelines, organizers, or proposals. While TaxDome created some templates, other users can create and share their own. They are both free and for a fee options. To download one, simply click the white button next to each template. Let's download this 1120 corporate income tax template for this example. Now let's go to the pipeline section, and we will find it here. Since this pipeline includes some automations with templates, you may also notice that along with this template, you've got new templates for messages, tasks, proposal, and so on. Like all the other examples, you can modify this pipeline, add automations, and conditions to such automations. Remember to save all your edits. By default, only owners and admins can download new templates, but you can give your employees the power to do so. To enable this, go to Settings. Team and Plans from the left menu bar, open the Team Members tab, and click on the team member's name in the list. Click the pencil icon in the Edit Access Rights section and toggle on Manage Templates and/or Manage Marketplace. Lastly, click Save.